Gerald Lucas here with another installment of Ask Gerald, where you get your real estate questions answered. Now today's question comes from Ken, and Ken writes from Dover, New Hampshire. And Ken writes, I've been waiting for weeks for my mortgage approval. If the bank denies me, where else can I get the money to buy? What I'm going to do, Ken, is I'm going to give you 5 ways to finance the purchase of real estate. And the first way is probably the most obvious way, which is to go to a bank. Right? The second way is to use a mortgage broker. Now I prefer to use a mortgage broker rather than going to an individual bank because mortgage brokers tend to deal with multiple banks, right? So they can normally get you a better deal. Also, since they are real estate professionals that work on commission, they are normally more familiar with current loan products and can often get you a better rate that way as well. Now the third way to finance the purchase of real estate is by going to a credit union. The fourth way is by using what are called hard money lenders. Now, a hard money lender normally is going to charge a much higher interest rate and points. So you normally want to only use them when you're borrowing for a short period of time. But they're ideal when you're purchasing a property that needs a substantial amount of renovation. And normally, a traditional bank won't lend you money on those kinds of properties, but a hard money lender will. So short term, it makes sense depending on the property and the condition of the property. And the fifth way to finance the purchase of real estate is by using a private investor. And in today's low interest rate environment, investors are always looking for higher returns, and real estate is a good, safe investment to park their money. So that's definitely something, an area and a way that you want to consider. So for more real estate tips, for special reports, and for information on my real estate coaching program, visit performanceproperty.com. I'm Gerald Lucas, and I'll see you again soon.